Why are you choosing to implement Pipedrive for your company? You want to gain a clear overview, simplify the workflow for your sales team, and increase your revenue. Those are three essential goals. Let us examine how Pipedrive addresses each of these three key areas. Right off the bat, we can certainly start by taking a look at the reporting features. You can see how much you've won, how much you've lost, what's still open, your conversion rates and revenue forecasts. You can see how long your sales cycle is and which salesperson is performing the best. That's a standard feature offered by pretty much any CRM. But what makes Pipedrive unique? Pipedrive is essentially a CRM built by salespeople for salespeople. So when you first log into your Pipedrive account, the very first thing that you are going to see isn't just a simple directory of companies or contacts, but rather the pipeline or the dashboard right away. This perfectly aligns with the structure of your existing sales process. So at the very beginning, you start with an initial inquiry or a potential sales opportunity. You establish contact, deliver a formal presentation, sign a binding contract, and finally close the deal. The primary objective for the sales team is to gradually move all these business cases from the left side over to the right. On this dashboard, you are also able to see exactly how much money is currently sitting on the table. Essentially, what you are looking at here is the total value of your entire sales pipeline. If we take a closer look, it becomes clear that we are playing for 174,000 euros in this instance. And when we calculate based on the weighted average probability of closing the deal, we are likely to walk away with just under 40,000 euros. If you find that you need to search for a business case, a company, or a customer, you can simply make use of our comprehensive full-text search tool. So let us go ahead and search for the company Apple, for example. We can take a closer look at all the deals we currently have with them. We can also examine the specific people we're working with at Apple. Naturally, we can also check how many companies named Apple are stored in our Pipedrive system. Pipedrive is a fully cloud-based software solution. This means that you are able to access this entire interface from your computer, your tablet, or your mobile phone, basically anywhere at all that you have a stable internet connection. At the same time, Pipedrive truly stands out for one major added value, and that is its integrated email communication. These days, the majority of customer communication happens either over the telephone or through email. And naturally, you want to keep all of those emails organized in one single place. All you really need to do is go ahead and sync up your email communication, and every single email that you send out, whether you are sending it directly from Pipedrive, or if you happen to prefer using your Outlook account, your personal inbox, or even your mobile phone, will be automatically tracked and then linked right here in Pipedrive to all of your appropriate contacts and your specific business deals, keeping everything organized. Forget manual tasks, connecting accounts, or BCCing anyone. Everything runs automatically in the background, requiring zero intervention. It's a massive time saver for busy sales pros everywhere. They don't have to retype six-sectiony birua to click through or link anything at all. Everything happens in the background. They can see everything right in the business cases. And when a salesperson goes on vacation, for example, the colleague covering for them can look at the conversation history and respond to the customer's questions immediately. That brings us to the conclusion of this initial section regarding the comprehensive overview you get with Pipedrive. However, I would like to take a moment to examine how you can simplify the daily workflow for your sales team. To do that, we are going to take a closer look at one specific deal currently in your pipeline. Whenever you decide to open a deal, you will see all of the specific details about that deal displayed on the left, which the salesperson needs to gather. On the right, you can view a timeline from when the deal was first created up to the present, or rather, to all the activities you have scheduled and planned for the future. What should we focus on here? There are a few really neat features to highlight. The first is that you can plan activities, and it's not just about planning to call the customer. You can, of course, also schedule a formal meeting. At the same time, if you choose to sync your calendar, not just your email, but your calendar as well, with Pipedrive, you can create video call invitations directly from within the platform with total ease. Pipedrive offers seamless integration with popular communication platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. This allows you to schedule a professional meeting immediately, and an automated invitation is sent out directly to your customer's personal calendar. However, that is certainly not all there is to it, so stay tuned. Once a salesperson completes the last activity for a deal, Pipedrive is smart enough to immediately suggest the next activity. This is another significant simplification and acceleration of the process, as this small feature ensures that salespeople don't forget to create a follow-up activity. So once they finish an activity, Pipedrive prompts them to schedule the next one. This ensures we don't have any deals without activities. This means there are no stagnant deals sitting there, neglected. Pipedrive can also be connected to your mobile phone. To begin with, it features its very own dedicated mobile application, which means that even when you are out and about or on the move, you are fully capable of managing your individual client interactions or important meetings directly through that mobile interface. Furthermore, and at the very same time, the application provides the added convenience of initiating a phone call on your mobile device simply by clicking on a contact's phone number, even while you are still sitting right there at your computer desk. This means sales reps sit at their desks with their computers, they just click the phone number, it dials immediately, they have headsets on, and they handle calls right away. They don't have to write anything down or type anything in, which again saves them a significant amount of time. I already mentioned email synchronization. With Pipedrive, you can easily view all the emails you exchange with your customers. However, it is not just about viewing them, you can also compose and send emails directly within the Pipedrive platform. Why create them directly in Pipedrive? Pipedrive offers a great feature that lets you see if the recipient has already opened the email and whether they've clicked on anything. So when you send an offer email to your customer, you know if they've looked at it and if they've clicked on anything. A víte, jestli už se na ní podíval a jestli na něco kliknul. The very moment they decide to open your email, you receive an instant notification directly inside of Pipedrive. You immediately pick up your phone to call the customer right away, and they are absolutely amazed at what a strange coincidence it is that they are looking at your offer at the exact same time you are calling them. By using our email synchronization feature, you will find that not only are your emails automatically stored within Pipedrive, but your attachments are as well, which eliminates the need to manually upload files. However, should you need to add a specific file to Pipedrive that you aren't sending to a customer, you certainly have the option to do so. You are welcome to upload individual files of up to 50 megabytes directly into Pipedrive. And the absolute best part is that Pipedrive does not place any restrictions on your storage. Within Pipedrive, you effectively enjoy virtually unlimited storage capacity that is designed to align with your business type and account size, meaning there is no strict limit on the number of files you can store. And in what other ways does this feature specifically benefit your sales team? Sales reps can generate all their necessary documents directly from within Pipedrive, whether they are formal contracts, detailed proposals, professional presentations, or quite frankly, even sensitive NDAs. You're able to maintain a vast library of pre-configured templates within the system, which allows any salesperson to generate a professional document with just a single click, automatically enriched with relevant information pulled directly from the customer's profile, and then send it off to them immediately, complete with the convenient option for an electronic signature. Furthermore, these powerful tools designed to accelerate their daily workflow are not limited solely to the closing of the deal itself. You are also able to locate this information within the activities section, which is precisely where your sales representatives should typically be heading. From there, they can easily view all the specific activities they are required to complete for the current week, and then process them one after another in a streamlined fashion. At the very same time, Pipedrive also provides the Pipedrive Scheduler feature, which is commonly referred to as the meeting scheduler. So how exactly does that feature work? Within the Pipedrive platform, you can easily specify exactly which days you are available to meet with your potential customers. Once you have your personal calendar fully synced, Pipedrive automatically generates a unique link that you can then conveniently share with the customer via email. This specific link looks exactly like this. After you send that link to the customer, they are able to immediately see all the available days they can choose to meet with you. Next, they select a time slot, enter their name, email, and phone number, and this activity is saved both to your calendar and, of course, to Pipedrive. This drastically speeds up the time it takes for a salesperson to schedule a meeting. You completely eliminate that scheduling ping-pong where you ask if you're available at this time or that. The customer replies that neither time works and suggests another. You end up exchanging several emails like this before you finally manage to set up the meeting. Thanks to this convenient link, which is integrated directly into Pipedrive, you are able to schedule important meetings even on a Saturday at midnight, whenever your customer finally finds the time to select a convenient slot to meet with you. The very final feature designed to significantly speed up sales for busy sales reps is the contact timeline, which you can easily locate right under your contact section. Try to visualize it in this particular way. We have successfully filtered all of your most important VIP clients, and you are able to view right there on a chronological timeline every single interaction or touch point you have ever had with them, regardless of whether that was a simple phone call, a formal meeting, or the finalization of a major deal. Then, on the other hand, you have your standard, regular customers to whom you have the opportunity to offer and sell additional products or services time and time again. And of course, you'll want to take a look and see if there are any customers that you might have accidentally forgotten about along the way. Right here, we can clearly see a few customers that we have unfortunately forgotten. A salesperson can immediately go ahead and set up a meeting, add a new deal, or at the very least, add a note for that specific customer and start working on them right away. So, as you can see, it is certainly not just for acquisition purposes. These are the things I showed you a moment ago, but also actual account management, meaning focusing on your existing customers, where you can see whether you're truly engaging with them or not. This concludes the second part, which is about simplifying the work for sales representatives. So, how do we actually increase our revenue? Because honestly, our salespeople only have a limited amount of time available to them to hold meetings, call customers, and prepare all the necessary materials for closing their deals. However, it is absolutely essential that you find a way to increase your overall time capacity in this area. And exactly how are you supposed to go about achieving that goal? You provide your sales representatives with a much-needed helping hand by implementing smart automation that works quietly in the background for them. Pipedrive makes it incredibly easy for you to build and manage these automations directly within the Pipedrive platform itself. I have prepared a quick demonstration of two specific automations for you right here. One specific type of automation functions by automatically sending out a follow-up email to a potential client exactly 6 months after a deal has been officially marked as lost, politely asking them if they might be interested in resuming the conversation or perhaps restarting discussions regarding purchasing a product from you or potentially subscribing to your professional services. This specific automation process currently maintains a consistent success rate of approximately 10%. What that effectively means is that for every single 100 deals you lose, you are going to recover an additional 10 of them. Now, I want you to calculate exactly how many deals you lose each month and each year, then take 10% of that figure. Those business cases will reopen all on their own, entirely thanks to this very automation. A great example of the second automation that I have here is the use of automated email sequences. If someone sends you an inquiry but isn't quite ready to make a purchase yet, it is a very good idea to introduce them to your company, your products, your clients, testimonials, price lists, and other similar materials. Within Pipedrive, you can easily create an email sequence using our automations feature, where you send one initial email, then Pipedrive waits for 5 days, sends another follow-up email, and then waits again before continuing. In this case, the system waits a week before sending a third email. This provides you with the opportunity to inform the customer about who you are, what you do, and why they should choose to work with you. A salesperson could certainly handle this, but they are primarily focused on direct communication with the customer. Instead, this entire process happens in the background. The salesperson does not need to get involved at all, and as a result, the customer enjoys a significantly better experience with your company after submitting an inquiry. Beyond just relying on automated workflows, marketing teams are also finding great value in using Pipedrive. For one thing, you're able to create web forms directly within the Pipedrive platform. You can build many different types of forms that you can then very easily embed on your own websites or even within your advertisements, where your potential customers can easily fill out these specific forms, which are then automatically and immediately synced directly into your Pipedrive account, ensuring that every single inquiry lands right inside Pipedrive, where they can be efficiently distributed to your dedicated sales representatives. The second powerful tool that your marketing team can utilize directly within Pipedrive is the campaigns feature. Within this section, you can take full advantage of the capability to distribute newsletters or various mass communications to your existing customers or potential leads, ensuring they stay informed about all your latest updates. You have access to this entire feature set right inside the Pipedrive platform. There is absolutely no requirement for you to rely on any external third-party software tools. For instance, I have an invitation to DigiFest here, where you can see exactly how many people it was sent to, as well as how many people actually clicked through, and you can utilize the contacts stored directly within Pipedrive to reach out to them in bulk. I have only shown you a fraction of how amazing Pipedrive is and how it can help you. I have also shown you how it provides a comprehensive overview of your entire company. I have demonstrated to you how it streamlines the closing procedure for your sales team, and at the very same time, how it can effectively generate additional revenue for your company. In the video description, you will also find a link to a bonus section featuring 5 things you can utilize primarily for business in the Czech and Slovak markets. Since we have viewers from all over the world, please note that this section is intended exclusively for the Czech Republic and Slovakia. And with that, that is all from me for today.